because I did back to back, I get to experience another afternoon tea hosted by the Butler team. It's just one afternoon tea per cruise. Hello everyone, my name is Fatima Mahmood. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my videos regarding the MSC Yacht Club on MSC Meraviglia, December 2025, sailing from New York Brooklyn Cruise Terminal into the Bahamas. Afternoon tea, white glove service. Hello, good, thank you. Did I come late?
No.
Everybody just came early.
This is the first.
So popular that it just started a minute ago and everyone was already here. This is ham and cheese, this is prosciutto, that's salmon, that's another cucumber, this is tuna.
We're going there now.
Okay.
Good afternoon. Welcome to hiking. So here we offer you the tea that we have 3 black tea. We have Darjeeling, Earl Grey, Royal Breakfast. We also have the Rooibos, lemongrass and ginger, jasmine, and the tropical punch.
Lemongrass and
Tropical punch.
How long should we wait?
You need to wait like 3 to 5 minutes. If you want more strong, it will be 5 minutes. Medium, like 4 minutes. 3 minutes, the light one.
Thank you.
I'll come back for the...
This is the Earl Grey. Here is our always organized, always diligent Butler team, half hour early, already getting ready for the afternoon tea. Always prepared, our butlers. They're getting everything ready for us.
We have a black tea, green tea and fruit tea. In the front one we have a black tea, it's a rooibos from South Africa, and a fruit tea and a green tea.
Thank you. So last time I got the black teas. This one I got lemon ginger. And it's hard to see on video, but it is definitely a light lemon color. This is what the inside of it looks like. Loose teas in this container. And that's what it looks like on the inside of the teapot. It shows more lemony that way. Best scones I've had. This cream is great. Tiny little scones. And this is a container raspberry if you ever want it. Thank you for watching my video. I'd love to hear from you on email at fmahmood@wellesley.edu. You can also find me on LinkedIn at that address. And if you do send me a connection request, please go ahead and send me a note. Before you go, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And please go ahead and watch my next video. Thank you.